what can only be found now. As if staring at a gravesite, till I become a gravesite. Would it make me a still life? As if I knew what I knew, but I don't, so I do what I do, so I go with the flow till I'm blue. As if the notion to know shit would save no one from nothing. As if I make space safe for placelessness and be pasted into my peaceful bliss. As if I'm displaced in this place. Is it this face within this grin? As if I walk into the distance till I become the distance. Would it make me the distance? How about the still life with old shoes holds truth deep in a blue mood with hues and gold sun views? It's the